Welcome to Stacy's Online Maths Tutoring. We are taking question 2. The total energy of motion E depends on the mass m and speed s and is given as E equals ms squared over 2. Make s the subject of the relation as question I. Find the value of s if m is 2 and E is 36. So let's do this. So question number 2. A, we have our E to be equal to ms squared out of 2. You can see the E as out of 1, then you cross multiply. 2E to be equal to 1 times ms squared is ms squared. So we divide through by m, divide through by m. So 2E out of m is equal to x squared. So square root both sides, this takes off this. So you can see s is equal to square root of 2e out of m. That's for question 2ai. Now 2ai, find the value of s if m is 2 and e is 36. So s is equal to square root of 2e out of m. So square root of 2 times e, the value of e is 36 from the question, and m is 2. So I substitute that. The 2 goes off here. So s should be equal to root 36, and that is a 6. And that ends it for question number A. Now we go to the B. Find the value of x if the vectors 3, -5, 10, 3x are perpendicular vectors. So when we say the vectors are perpendicular vectors, it means that their dot product is 0. What is their dot product? The product of the x component plus the product of the y component. So we have -3 times 10 as the product of the x component, and dash plus 5 times 3x as the product of the y component, producing the result 0. So we can have -30 plus 15x should be equal to 0. 15x should be 0 plus 30, and that's 30. So divide through by 15, divide through by 15. 15 here 1, 15 here 2, so x is 2. And find the value of s. Now let's see. When 7 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 5, the final result is same as twice the sum of the number and 5. Find the number. So we can let a variable, let's say y, be equal to the number. Now 7 is subtracted from it, and the result is multiplied. The result is multiplied by 5, and that is the same as twice the sum of the number, which is y, and 5. So we expand. We have 5y minus 35, and that's 2y plus 10. So we group like terms here. We have 5y minus 2y, we have 10 plus 35. We have 3y is 45 out of 3, out of 3. So y should be equal to 15. 3 here 1, 3 into 4, 1, remainder 1, making 15, 3 there 5. So y's value is 15. And that ends the solution for question number 2.